Good day, and today we're going to do a little bit of recap on solving systems equations with two variables. Get off of there. Okay. So, what we're looking at here, this is actually number one from the first side. We're using the elimination method to solve for this system of equations. What I see here when I'm looking at this is I see I've got a negative y right here, and I've got a positive 2y. And I make the connection, hey, if I multiply this whole top one by 2, that's going to give me the ability to knock that bottom one out, because they'll be opposite, so that the y's will cancel. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to take 2 times negative 12x minus y, and then it's equal to, I got to multiply the right side by 2 as well, because it's got to stay even. I'm going to multiply that by that. Alright? Cool. Let's distribute. This becomes negative 24x minus 2y equals negative 12. Alright? We're going to take that, we're going to combine that with our bottom equation. Okay, so negative 24x minus 2y equals negative 12. Put that one on top. On the bottom, I've got 4x plus 2y equals 12. Oh, excuse me. Oh, no, that's right. Okay, yeah, all right. So check this out. I've got negative 20x, and I combine them together, negative 20x, these guys cancel, plus 0 equals, negative 12 plus 12, that's 0. So I get negative 20x equals 0, therefore x equals 0. I can go back into one of the equations up here and plug in for x. So let's go ahead and go back to that first one there. Negative 12. Negative 12 times 0 minus y equals negative 6. This becomes 0, so 0 minus y equals negative 6. That just means that negative y equals to negative 6. So y is going to equal 6. So if x equals 0 and y equals 6, my solution is just going to be 0, comma, 6. And if we plugged in it up here, it would work, because 0 plus 2 times 6 will equal 12, and 0 minus 6 will give us negative 6. Alright, that's the elimination method. Let's look on the back here sheet, and here's the this is the substitution method. This was the first one in the back. Okay, so I've got negative 5y plus y equals negative 15, negative 3x plus 2y equals negative 2. Hey, I've got y by itself right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to isolate that y. If I isolate the y, then I can do substitution very easily. I need to add 5x to both sides. So what this leaves me with is y equals 5x minus 15. So I'm going to plug this into that spot right there in the second equation. Negative 3x plus 2 times 5x minus 15 equals negative 2. Distribute this, it becomes negative 3x plus 10x minus 30 equals negative 2. I'm going to combine my x's here. This gives me 7x. I'm going to then get this negative 30 out of here. Add 30 to both sides. So I get 7x equals what? got 7x equals 28. Divide by 7. X equals 4. Go back on up here in one of the other equations that I've got. My second equation here looks a little bit lower in value. It's going to be easier to work with the arithmetic. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to plug in for that. It's negative 3x plus 2y equals negative 2. Negative 3x plus 2y, right? Yeah, plus 2y equals negative 2. I'm going to plug in for 4. Plug in the 4 for x. Plus 2y equals negative 2. This is a y. I know it kind of looks kind of like an x. And I'm solving here for y. Negative 12 plus 2y equals negative 2. Next step, add 12, both sides. 2y equals 10. Divide by 2, you get y equals 5. So if y is 5, x is 4, our final solution is going to be 4, comma, 5. And we are all set. Alright, keep at this, do a little bit more practice today, and I trust all will go well. I hope you have a fantastic day, and I look forward to speaking more with you soon.